Waste from rainwater is wasted as water cycle. Rainwater harvesting is a collection and the storage of rainwater rather than climate.
वन वन करते जाइएगा, एक एक करके पॉज करके फिर सेकेंड वाले।
Why you use the groundwater? Lot of water is there. 21% is 1% of all surface is covered with the water. Why you are using the groundwater?
Because water is so comfort on trees. How to use for rainwater? Rainwater is and almost water is coming to the earth and rainwater is so rainwater is the oxygen for
How cloud?
to make thunder to come to the rain and go to the clouds and sun and rain is formed.
The process of formation of cloud.
Process of
Water to water, water vapor to cloud.
was seeding goes to the clouds and clouds go to the sun and it goes to the rainwater to the groundwater. What is the greenhouse?
Greenhouse. Greenhouse.
Morning, sir. I am Anushka from class 6. Thank you for giving me this opportunity based on my project. My project is a greenhouse effect. As you can see, there is a greenhouse. A greenhouse product is made out of glass walls and a glass door. In daytime, here glass allows sunlight to shine into the greenhouse while also trapping the heat inside. This is how a greenhouse keeps plant warm. The greenhouse effect.
आ जाए क्लास 6 ना। यस सर। टॉपिक क्या है?
Also called the pretty like the same thing. A green earth. Earth's but atmosphere. In daytime, sunlight shines through the atmosphere. After sun is down, the Earth's surface cools. But the greenhouse releases the heat into the air. But some sunbeams are trapped
मॉडल पे नेक्स्ट
in the atmosphere because of greenhouse gases. Carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor are some examples of greenhouse gases.
Which gas known as greenhouse gas? What is known as greenhouse gas?
Dioxide, water vapor, and methane.
What they do actually? What they do?
They keep our Earth warm.
Increase the temperature. What is the concept of this one?
Because of human activities like
ठीक है
बोलो 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 जैसे भी बोल सकते हो सुनाई दे रहा है
because of human activities like burning oil, fuels, etc. are increasing the carbon dioxide.
नर्वसनेस रहेगा। कंटिन्यू
ठीक है
Because of that, the earth temperature is increasing and plants are dying and in the Antarctica and Iceland, the ice glaciers are melting.
नीचे पकड़ो नीचे
आप कंटिन्यू करो, बोले आपने कंटिन्यू रखा।
Ice glaciers in the because of
glaciers were made down. What happened?
Whole world will cover with water.
Can you imagine how much the thickness of water will be increased in the sea water? What is also we have the even 4 meter water level will be increased. What will happen when the ice melt down? Temperature will decrease, water temperature will decrease, and the aquatic life will be totally disturbed.
First of all, good morning, sir. My name is Rajesh and I would like to introduce my team members. I am Swati, Sonia, and Nandini and Rohit, sir. So, sir, our model is Rebecca and Mark. So, we know space is one of the most important areas because of the global leader of space, our habitat. So, here is the next to dedicate our model to Indian Space Research Organization. ISRO. So, CND, India has important mission to study sun for all the main source of energy for all living things. And the game of our project is and we have to comment and I have to know about it.
Class 5. Class 5. Aditya L1.
What is the full form of ISRO?
Good morning to all presented here. First of all, wishing you all a very happy International Science Day. I am starting from Standard 8 and I am going to explain my project with my team members, Aniket, Raj and Saran Kumar. So, with class 8, so we want to show the solar energy. Our project is all about the solar energy. Solar energy is a type of energy which generates from the sun. So, basically we want to show in how many ways solar energy is helpful to us. So here we have divided our project in 3 parts. So our first part is solar electricity. Electricity. Without electricity, nowadays we can't imagine our life. It is the most important thing for our life.
बहुत शॉर्ट सर्किट हो गया इसलिए ये चेकिंग दिखा रहे थे
So here we want to show that how solar energy is helpful to provide electricity to all. So this will let my friend Aniket basically all our solar panels are and two solar panels the power also and then the energy is
ठीक है छोड़ दीजिए
supplied in the
जुमा है ना
so here in a small level we have
ऐसा है
solar panels
छोड़
and
दीजिए
a collector wire from the house light
हाँ हाँ छोड़ दीजिए
we can blow it through there is the sun and then when the sun light come on the solar panel then it always glow. Then the next part is solar irrigation. So solar irrigation. Irrigation is the most important thing because without irrigation we will not get the food and without food we cannot survive. So we had shown that how solar energy is helpful to us in irrigation also. It is very helpful for the farmers who are working in the field. So we had shown that how solar energy helps in the field in doing irrigation. So my friend Aniket basically in our normal life we use the submersible to drink the water. If a field is apart to the submersible, then we have a small ground level, we are using a water pump. So while from the pond, the water pump suck the water and transfer to the water tank. And when water tank is full, then water is automatically come on the field and all field water. So now let's move to our third part. It is the most important part. This part is solar satellite. Here we want to show that without internet we can't live in nowadays, and communication is also very important in nowadays. Then do you know that how the satellite looks around the earth? Because from satellite only we get the electricity, internet connections and other things. So solar energy helps because in the space there is no fuel stations, petrol pumps and etc. So the solar energy is the only way to get energy to that satellite, and it helps the satellite to move around the earth. So that's all about our project. Would you like to ask any doubts, sir?
What is the main source of solar energy? And what is the material used in the solar? What do you call that?
Solar panels, there is a glass.
Photovoltaic cell. It is also known as photovoltaic cell. That converts this solar energy to electricity. Second concept about the energy. Why the government is also focusing on the solar energy. So many sources of energy we have. Is why the government is also focusing on solar energy.
Because solar energy is that energy, it will never over any time. It is unlimited. And we are using hydroelectric energy, hydroelectric energy, and we are taking electricity from fossil fuels. They are limited, but the solar energy is not limited. It is unlimited, so it is a renewable energy and it will survive for every time. Yes, sir.
Pollution free energy. सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा काम कर रहा है
Good morning, sir. Wishing a very happy International Science Day. I am Ramya Singh with my team member Diksha Singh, Raunak Kumar and Tripurari Pandey.
Class 6, sir.
Class 6. Today we are here to represent model adaptation of plant cell. So here we have presented all about the plant cell. Here it is nucleus. That you can tell about Raunak. It is a small central mass. The nucleus
Plant cell.
chromatin fiber. So here, Diksha will tell about the cell wall. In the plant and bacteria, the cell process, it is the outermost protective layer of animal non-living structures. And this is ribosome. They are two-layer structure started in cytoplasm. It is the help of synthetic proteins. So here, Raunak will tell about the mitochondria. They are also called the powerhouse of the cell. They help in respiration. They oxide food and by utilizing oxygen.
Do you know why they are called powerhouse of the cell?
इसके बाद
Because it provides energy to the cell. So here, Tripurari will tell about lysosome.
So here, lysosome is about the layer also called the suicidal layer of the cell that is help on the digestion of food. So here it is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is presented here by the roots and the leaf that the endoplasmic reticulum has irregular network, but they are interconnected from each other. That they are divided into two parts, LCR and RER. The LCR is the smooth surface and is presented at root, and these are the rough surface that are represented as real because it contains lysosome. And here it is plastic, the plastic that contains
cell wall present in plant cell or animal cell.
plant cell. The plant is the chloroplast. The chloroplast is the help of the green pigment that is also called the chlorophyll, and it is also used by the trap the sunlight and help in the process of photosynthesis. So here it is what you got. It is help us to store food. So are you have any questions?
Okay, very nice.
Good morning. Good morning, sir. Thank you for giving us this beautiful opportunity to explain our project. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for giving us this beautiful opportunity to explain our project in Hydroelectricity. I am Ashmi Pandey, PhD students and friends from class 6. I am Ashmi. So we are going to explain our project Hydroelectricity. Hydroelectricity is a term which taking electricity from water. Here you can see that we are taking electricity from water with the help of hydroelectricity. It is a working model. So now Piyush will tell about dams. Here we can say that dam is a barrier in the floods, but it has this advantage also that during floods, if the dam has on the source, it will destroy many houses and lives. We can say that it is have both disadvantage and advantage. Advantage is that we are not polluting our nature by cutting trees. So now your friends will tell about windmill. Sir, do you have any questions?
What energy convert from the water to electricity? Like water is the potential energy, but we are getting electric energy.
Kinetic energy by converting potential energy to kinetic energy.
Potential to kinetic. Then after? With the help of kinetic.
कौन सा क्लास है बड़ा?
8th class.
For our body to work properly and stay healthy. In the process of digestion, our various parts of body parts work. And the first process is done by our mouth. When we chew the food, saliva to saliva through its moist the fluid to go directly easily go into the esophagus and flow into the stomach. Esophagus is the swallowing process automatically done by our brain signals the muscles of esophagus and respiration stomach and then after that go into the stomach. Stomach is the hydroelectric process and then the food conversion is converted into the acid and then after it is sent into the small intestine. Small intestine take the food and take all of the nutrients from the food that our body needs and then all this the large intestine after getting the which products are formed it go out from our body to the end and after this process liver works to be inside the blood and use as blood nutrients and the blood goes to pancreas used to break start food and start that food and then gallbladder requires hydrogen to release the acid into the small intestine. Would you like to ask a question?
This is walking mode.
Yes.
What's walking?
The waste product goes in.
What is the work of HCl?
Hydrochloric acid helps to hydrochloric acid is a harmful acid and it is protected by the liver inner lining of the stomach. Hydrochloric acid helps to change the directive used into the egg.
Juice is very useful for the digestive system.
That's the
What is the role of bile? Which organ excretes bile?
pancreas.
Kills the bacteria. Hide the fat. The fat is difficult to digest. Keep it up. All the best.
Good morning. Good morning, sir. First of all, happy International Science Day to you. I am Soumya Singh from class 8 and going to explain my project. Here are my team members. Anubhav Kumar, Rahul Kumar, Arpit Anand and Mangesh. My project name is How We Can Save the Earth. Nowadays, the water level is going so down because of climate change, global warming. We can conserve water by rainwater. We can conserve rainwater on our rooftops. We can conserve our water on our rooftops and drums. Then we can use it in our agriculture field. And nowadays we use electricity in our homes, which is generated by fossil fuels, which causes deforestation, global warming, climate change. And if we use windmills and solar energy, it will not cause global warming and climate change. And deforestation is caused by fossil fuels. Deforestation is there, we can't survive because without oxygen we can't survive. So we need to plant more and more trees. I would like to ask them question.
Why we should plant more and more trees? What is the role of trees?
Because we get oxygen from the trees. We get oxygen from the trees. Without it we can't survive.
Why is smoking harmful?
Because there is pollution.
Which gas is very harmful? Lot of so many gases are there.
CFC.
CFC. What is the full form of CFC?
Chlorofluorocarbon.
What is the impact of CFC? CFC, HFC.
It's both the ozone layer.
Ozone layer. Good.
Thank you, sir, and thank you for your golden time. Fossil fuels causes happy International Science Day. We are all from in class. And myself, Notre, Singh, says Sonita, says Srishti, says Hussain, and
The currently I am called Samiksha to explain. Good morning everyone, I am Samiksha. I am here to explain and tell you some important points on volcano. A volcano is a landform where molten rocks erupt through the surface of the planet. As you know, there are three types of rock. First, igneous, and second, sedimentary, and third one is metamorphic. And I am going to tell you why volcano erupts. Volcano erupts when the magma under the surface of the earth intensifies and due to pressure and erupts from the vent. And there is one city, Notre. The Strongly mountain is strongly is known to be one of the most active volcanoes. It is said to erupt in every 15 minutes. Let me tell you a short story on volcano. On the Venezuela's mountain in Pampoi, there is a city named Pampoi. It is the foot of the Venezuela's mountain, and once it so happened when the Venezuela's mountain erupted without alert, and the people of the Venezuela's mountains, they closed in one place they are in, and it is now it is a tourist spot. That's all. Thank you. Now I am going to run this mountain.
What is difference between magma and lava? What is magma?
Magma which comes
Yes, continue. Good. Keep it up. Sahi
which
hai?
comes from the vent.
The molten material. Yes. And when the molten material cool down and convert into solid part, that is, they are known as lava. Okay. How many types of volcano? How many types of volcano? Do you know tectonic plates?
What?
Tectonic plates? They are the student of that. Yes, continue. Oh, very nice. This magma is coming out. Magma is coming out. Na? Very good.
And these cool downs, it becomes igneous rock, right? Which chemicals will be used?
Vinegar and tea. Good morning, sir. Happy to watch the Lord's and thank you for our knowledge. First of all, I introduce our team. Our team member is Hans, Anish, Old, Manu, Nara, and Stuart. Now, one of my team members is still here, but is not here. Good morning, sir. My name is Rachel. I will explain about water. First, let me tell that our topic is air pollution. When the harmful gases mix with the air, is called air pollution. It is dangerous for our health. Breathing in that air can cause many diseases. In this model, we show how air pollution can be used. You can see how smoke from factories, cars, burning of waste, and smoking. There are many reasons for air pollution, such as fire and firecrackers. Sir, as you can see in the news days from air pollution due to factory smokes and open garbage burning, and firecrackers also, sir. By air pollution, diseases can cause like asthma and other breathing problems. Sir, we have some solutions, so I request Anish to give that solution. So, sir, I am Anish. Now we would like to say some solutions. First is open dumping and garbage burning should be avoided, and second is factories should not be allowed to produce harmful smoke in public areas. And third is smoking in forests, reference areas should be not allowed. Thank you.
Your good name?
Occurs.
Aniket.
Anikesh.
Very good.
First of all, we need to International Science Day. As you can see that our group members are good neighbors. They are implementing a project that is based on windmill. In this project, we are trying to give all the important things. So let Monica tell you this story. So I am Ashina and I am going to tell questions about how windmill generate electricity. Wind turbines takes heat from the sun and energy that comes to the single atom then gets turned to the converting in the effect of the drive so the electric generated. So this is the process of electric generated by the vendors. Now she clear about how society, what is the important about the society, how will you help the society. In society.
Okay, query के लिए invite करो.
Okay, so do you have any question? Sir, if you have any question about this?
Bill.
Sir, windmill main of windmill is generating electricity. Sir, when the air wind is generating electricity.
Other work is also done by the wind mill. Like pumping the water from the ground like
sir.
that. Okay, good.
Good morning, sir, and first of all, happy World Science Day. Sir, here is our project of 3 types of pollution. Here are our members, please, Shishir, Shubham, and Suri. Sir, last question. And sir, in this project, we are showing 3 types of pollution. First of all, we are showing here the air pollution. In this pollution, when the smoke comes from the chimneys, it makes the environment harmful, which is not good for the health of us. So, in this smoke, we have many chemical formulas like nitrogen, hydrogen, and carbon dioxide. When the carbon dioxide mixes with the air, the carbon and the dioxide separate from each other, and they mix into each other, which is very harmful for the environment. This factory is connected with that, so it is coming from there. And this factory is working on 2 types of models, like it is also working on air pollution and water pollution. So sir, here from the factory, chemical from water is coming here from the chemical water, or the chemical that's water going to the soil, which makes the soil harmful, which is not good for the fertilization, which makes the roots and roots very harmful, which the rodents eat and get injured. Sometimes farmers also used to see that water is good, but from inside the water is very harmful for us.
Which gas is produced when insufficient amount of oxygen is supplied? अगर कम मात्रा में ऑक्सीजन का सप्लाई हो तो कौन से गैस निकलेंगे?
आपने तो सॉल्यूशन तो बताया ही नहीं. सॉल्यूशन है सॉल्यूशन कुछ.
They have to show only the 3 types of pollution. Air pollution, water pollution, soil
Because these are the main pollution. Which harmful than water.
Affect all the pollution.
Good morning, sir. First of all, happy International Science Day. I am Srikanth with my team members representing our project that is based on solar and lunar eclipses. And it is a Virgin ladder. In ancient times, there is a tube that is sun and moon, and it is called Chandra and Surya. So for explaining lunar and solar eclipse, I would like to call Ronald. Good morning, sir. I am here to explain what is lunar eclipse.
क्या कहते हैं?
He is waiting to be them in CCG.
So that is like, first of all, we have to know why it's called the lunar. Because the moon is also called known as Luna. That's why it's called lunar eclipse. And in lunar eclipse, it occurs the Earth comes between the Sun and Moon. As a result, the Earth blocks the sunlight and the casts shadow on Moon. So the shadow cast on Moon is two types of shadows. First, the dark shadow called Umbra and the lighter shadow called Penumbra. And when the shadow casts, the sun's light goes from there and from Earth there is looking like a red ball in the sky. So that is all about lunar eclipse. Thank you. Good morning, sir. Sir, what is solar eclipse? A solar eclipse happened when moon comes between the sun and the earth and blocks the light of the moon and making shadow, which is sometimes fully.
On the moon or on the earth?
No, sir.
Shadow on what?
Sir, moon comes between earth and sun, and it blocks the light of the sun and we cast the shadow on earth, which is sometimes fully and sometimes partially. In some areas, shadow. That's all about the solar eclipse. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving your project.
सोलर इक्लिप्स किस दिन को होता है?
Solar eclipse happen on
New moon.
and lunar eclipse happen on a new moon.
Very good.
क्लास 6 है, इसीलिए क्लास वाइज किया है कि मार्किंग थोड़ा क्लास वाइज ही